Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 363 Ford stroker engine, 500 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1955 Thunderbird. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the brand new dart block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain in there, comp cams, roller lifter cam. We have the aluminum heads on there. Cobra valve covers, all the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted. Customer requested the rear sump pan for the 55 Thunderbird, so we put that on there for him. Chrome dipstick and tube. We have the oil pressure extension on there. High flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines and gas filter hooked up. Distributors all set in place. We have the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. The breather caps on there, MSD ignition coil, Ford Racing air cleaner, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, manifold vacuum fittings are installed for easy hookups, proper automatic flex plate and balance and tooth count for the customer's AOD transmission. We have this real nice 8-rib serpentine pulley kit on here, heavy duty 8-rib belt, 140 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, high flow aluminum water pump, correct thermostat housing on there, 45-degree thermostat housing, and a thermostat installed in there. Power steering pumps installed, heavy duty 8-rib belt. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete turnkey, ready to go. Every engine is live run for an hour. All the settings will be set. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, pictures of the entire engine build sent to you. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.